synthetic division. We're dividing this polynomial by x minus 2. So what we need to do here, write all the coefficients, which is the 1, -2, -9, and positive 18, right on top. Since you're dividing by x minus 2, then you put positive 2 here. Bring the 1 down, and you go 1 times 2, you get 2. You add this 2, you get 0. You repeat, you go 0 times 2 is 0. You add this 2, you get -9. And then you go -9 times 2 is -18. You add, you get 0. So since you get a remainder of 0, then this here, the x minus 2, is a factor of this function. Also, what you have here, that represents 1x squared, okay, plus 0x. You don't have to write that because it's 0, and then minus 9. So if you multiply these two, you FOIL them, you'll end up getting this back. And that's how you do synthetic division. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.